I'm Rachel Glaz, and this is Atelier Unplugged, a bit of a peek behind the curtain at how my own life and style influences the work we do for our clients at RGI events. On this series of Atelier Unplugged, we take you inside the atelier and talk about how those same factors inform our everyday work. If you've been watching for a while, you already know I'm a go big or go home kind of girl. And if this is the first time you're tuning in, you don't need to look any further than the front door of our national HQ, our Washington, D.C. office, to know I mean it. When we renovated the office, I knew I wanted our experience of the brand to start right from that door. I had recently returned from a trip to Paris where I was really inspired by some fabulous, fanciful creations draped over classic architecture of businesses. These installations felt highly interesting while being sophisticated and elegant, exactly what we were looking for. We've installed similar creations on a temporary basis for events we produce for our clients, so the mechanics and the partners we wanted for this installation were obvious to us. Now all that was left was the design. We wanted the design to work in all seasons and be durable to stand up year-round. We defaulted to RGI pink, of course, and worked towards a design of layered textures, organically draping and crawling across our awning, anchored with cherry blossoms, which are so quintessential in this area of the country. We often catch passersby stopping quickly to snap a picture at our front door. It's a great conversation starter as we breeze in and out of the office daily. It's a welcome worthy of an RGI production. We hope to catch you stopping by one day, and feel free to snap a pic. Just tag us here on Instagram, and I'll see you next time on Atelier Unplugged.